How's it going? I'm Jared Gillis. Welcome to another All About RVs. Today we're going to be doing one of the hopefully faster RV upgrades that we've done. These installs are supposed to only take about 10 minutes each. So what we're doing today is installing new locks on our RV. Let me tell you a couple of reasons why we're doing that. We have two doors. We have the front door here, and then we have the door in the back that goes into the boys' bedroom, which is like the toy hauler portion of our RV, but the keys don't match. We actually don't even have the key for the back door. So locking it, you have to go through, you have to, it would be nice if we had a key for that door, and it'd be nice if they were key to light. We're using this RV lock. It's by RV Lock. It has a keypad there, so you can punch in a code to lock and unlock. You also have the key fob, and then you also just have a straight up key for being able to get in and out. So there's just about every option you can on these. And on the back door, we're using this guy. It's just a little bit more compact. We still have the code, the keyless entry, and the key option for getting in and out. So they said all that we would need for installing this is just a screwdriver. It shouldn't take us any time to pop these out and to put the new ones in. So let's do that. Now the install was pretty simple. There's basically 6 screws. We had 2 on the end of the door that hold the lock set in place, and then you connect the electrical wires, the batteries, so that everything can operate. And then there's 4 more screws on the inside that sandwich everything together. So that was pretty simple. Now I did have to adjust the strike plate over here on the side of the door. I had to pull that out as far as I could so that it would get a nice secure bite when you close the door. But other than that, it worked out great. Just a few things about these locks. Now, it comes with the ability to be able to learn your key fob, being able to lock it. Like I can lock the front door and you can hear that sound and it locks. This back one, I need to do it. So all I'm gonna do is press this learn fob button. Hear that, I'm gonna press the lock on this. Now it's ready to go. So you do that, locks it up, and now it unlocks it. And you can also program your front code for whatever you would like. The default code is 1, 2, 3, 4 to unlock it. You can either put in your code to lock it, or you can just hold lock for 2 seconds and it locks it up. One of the questions I had is how hard is it going to be to replace the batteries in here? And so it's actually pretty simple. 2 screws here, you don't have to like disassemble the whole thing. Just got a battery compartment right here, and it's just AA batteries. So it's nothing complicated or hard to get to be able to swap these out. Now, I had another question about battery life, and the good thing is when this thing's starting to run low on batteries and you go to arm it or unlock it, it's going to give you a little tone to let you know that the batteries need to be replaced soon. So that tone helps you so that you don't get stuck with the batteries being dead. But if the batteries die, your key is still going to work. The key working is not dependent on having batteries or a code or the fob or anything like that. So if you're going to put your RV in storage, have your key with you. That way you're able to get in and out even if your batteries die, say while it's in storage and you weren't able to hear that tone. So that's the good news. Now I know some people don't like hearing the beeping sound. It's a little too loud and they just don't like it. They're annoyed by it. So I got a little trick for you. This is actually going to be in a different video, but as long as you promise to act surprised, like when you know you're getting a gift on Christmas morning and you know what it is, but you still have to act surprised, just do that for me in the next video, okay? But this is what you do to get rid of the beeping sound, is you just hold down number 1 until you hear a couple of beeps like that. And now when you go to lock it, you can hear the mechanism, but you don't get the loud beeping. So you're not announcing to everybody, I'm leaving. It's just nice and quiet now. So that's a little trick. Just remember to act surprised next time I say it. But I know that some people like being able to hear that beep. It just gives them a confirmation that their door is locked. So it's nice having that option. Now we have the two different styles for the keyless. The front one is the standard keyless entry. It's more elongated and it has a little bit more room in between the buttons for doing your code. This back one is the compact size. So if you had a window that came down longer and maybe you didn't have as much room for the standard one, this might be the ticket if you're looking for the keyless. Now they also have just your standard RV lock also, if you're not looking for any kind of keypad or keyless or anything like that. So there's definitely options out there. I'll be sure to put a link down in the description to the RV locks that we used if you're looking at doing a simple upgrade like this to yours. It's nice that we're all on one key now, so with some added benefits. So that's gonna do it for today. Remember, if you haven't subscribed already, hit that subscribe button. And remember, if we don't see you on the road, hopefully we will see you in the next video.